Hi chicas, hi my bellas, I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my travel bag, and what all can fit in the Coach Trekker bag. This is the Coach Trekker bag, the Coach signature canvas trekker, and I just wanted to show you guys how I pack my luggage and how I pack my travel bags when I'm traveling. So let's go ahead, if you like videos like that, go ahead, give me a like, hit that like button down below, as well as subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out anytime I upload videos on Coach. So today I just wanted to talk about a few of the signature pieces and my handbag picks for travel when I'm traveling. So as you can see, I have several clothing items spread out in front of me, and I'm gonna put my duffel over here on the side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it and spend some time with you girls this morning. So I don't want this video to be too long, so let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So this is the smaller of the two duffels that I have. The trekker, I have the larger size 52 as well, and I will come back to show you all what all fits in that bag, as well as I also travel with my Coach signature backpack, and I have it packed here with several items. And the next and third piece that I carry with my duffel bag when I'm traveling is this Coach large men's travel kit. So normally I travel with these three pieces: the duffel, the signature edge pack, and the large travel kit, So I normally travel with these three pieces. So I will start with the duffel bag to show you guys what all can fit in there. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that I'm gonna put in here, and I normally carry, when I travel overnight, like an overnight weekend trip to a family member's house or something, I normally carry two outfits. So the outfit that I'm wearing would be one, and then I carry two additional outfits. So the first outfit that I'm gonna go ahead and pack and put in here, and I just wanted to show you guys that right now the bag is empty. There's nothing in there. You can see there's nothing in there all the way at the bottom. And the first outfit that I'm gonna go ahead and put in there is just a Michael Kors top along with some Michael Kors pants. So this will be my first outfit right here, Michael Kors, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the bag. So that's one outfit. So I wanna have two outfits for two changes of clothes, and then some sleepwear. So the second outfit that I have is going to be this Under Armour top right here, blouse, along with my Under Armour sweatshirt right here, and some jeans. So this is gonna be my third outfit, the Under Armour sweatshirt with some jeans. I did go ahead and pick these jeans up. I haven't worn them yet. I picked them up from Marshall's, and what I like about these jeans are they are the classic straight fit, but it says they have curve appeal, and they also have a band for tummy flattening. So I really, really like this one. I went ahead and picked it up. It says tummy tucking. So in the front, it kind of pulls it has an elastic stretch that when you put it on kinds of pulls your tummy in a little bit. So I did go ahead and pick these jeans up. And when I picked up this sweatshirt, I remember I was so happy, you guys, because I got 10% off this sweatshirt because, let me go ahead and open it up. It's an Under Armour sweatshirt, and you can see it says Under Armour right here on the back. And when I picked this sweatshirt up, I was happy to receive an additional 10% off because it doesn't have the little string, you know, the little tightening string for the hoodie. And I wanted the sweatshirt so bad, and I was like, that little string, I don't need that little string to tighten my hoodie. You know, I'll get an extra 10% off. So the manager was so nice, and she gave me an extra 10% off my Under Armour sweatshirt because it didn't have that additional little string. So I was happy about that when I picked this sweatshirt up. So this is gonna be an outfit, the blue jeans, the Under Armour sweatshirt, along with the Under Armour shirt. So let's go ahead and put this outfit in the bag. Just gonna go ahead and tuck that in there. So now we have two outfits in there. This is what it looks like right here with both outfits in the bag. And I still have additional space. Also, this bag can be opened along the side right here if you want to make a different silhouette for it. Let me go ahead and show you. Just unsnap it. And if you unsnap it on both sides, you have a different silhouette. So let me just show you what that looks like. Now you see it's like a taller, larger bag, which I think I'm going to use it as a duffel, but let's go ahead and just see how, I wanted to show you guys how it looks with this taller silhouette. This is a very large bag to handle on camera. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the other silhouette that's a little bit taller. The next thing that I wanted to put in my bag, because we still have some more space, is some sleepwear. So I have my PJs right here. I have my PJs, and I'll probably just use this for kicking it around. I probably won't sleep in these because this material can be pretty hot to sleep in. But I do have some pajama pants right here that say meow. So I have my pajama pants, and I'm gonna fold this up and put it in there. And along with my pajama pants, I have a top and some shorts that I'll probably wear. Like I said, I don't want to sleep in the pajama pants. Those would be a little bit too hot. So I have some pajama little shorts right here that I'm going to go ahead and put in the bag. And then later, I'm going to put some unmentionables in here and other items. And then I have a little tank top that's going to go with my sleepwear. And that is about everything. The only other thing, and look, the bag is full. So you see I have 2 extra outfits and sleepwear in here, and my bag is full. So this is the smaller duffel. You can see it got full pretty quickly. The only thing it has in here is both outfits and the sleepwear. Now the next thing I wanted to talk about is when traveling with this, I still need some place to put my shoes, and I still need some place to put my toiletries. So for my toiletries, I would bring the large travel kit. And in here, I have some deodorant. I have some Oil of Olay moisturizer. I'm not going to go through everything. I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I have in here. I have some basic soap because this is really good. I'm allergic to everything. So if you're somebody that's allergic, this Dial Hypoallergenic Basics really, really helps. It doesn't break you out. So I have that type of soap because I can't use just any type of soap when I'm traveling. And I have some extra contact lens cases in my travel kit for my contact lenses. I have some toothpaste. I need to go ahead and add a toothbrush to this, but I do have the toothpaste with me and a bunch of other things. I have some chest rub to help me sleep if I need it. And I have some face moisturizer. So yeah, this is everything. I have some Say Yes to Carrots moisturizer, and that's everything that I had in my travel kit. So I would carry my toiletries in this travel kit along with this duffel bag. And then the last and final thing that I have is to travel is this right here, this bag right here. And in here, let me move the duffel out the way. What I would have in here is, and I already have it packed. So I have my baseball cap. If I'm traveling, I might need to use that. So I have my baseball cap in there. And then other items that I have in here, this is what everything looks like on the inside of my signature backpack, is I have my Coach water bottle in there. So I would bring that with me. And then also in here, I have an extra charger. And then I have my tablet in here, my Samsung tablet. And then the last and final thing that I have in here is my planner notebook. So I have that in here. Those are the items that I would have in my signature edge pack. And then also when traveling, what I like to bring with me and stick in my duffel bag is some extra garbage bags, because on the way back when you're traveling, you know, you're going to have some items that you've used, some dirty clothes. And, you know, in case I don't wear one of the outfits and I only use one, I don't want to put the dirty clothes mixed in with any clean items or any new items that I'm bringing back from my weekend getaway or my trip. So I always make sure that I carry some extra plastic bags with me to put dirty clothes, dirty underwear, dirty little other items in. So I would put that in that bag as well. So that's the way I go ahead and pack my duffel bag here by Coach. And I will come back on camera and show you guys the larger Trekker and how I packed the Trekker 52, as well as I'll be back on camera to show how I pack my Louis Vuitton bandolier when traveling, because sometimes if you don't want to travel with the Coach items, then you can go ahead and travel with your Louis Vuitton matching travel set. But I enjoy these items, these signature pieces by Coach, and I enjoy traveling with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you again soon in another video.